guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect any soundbar to your Android phone. So this is our phone and I have this Zebronic soundbar, as you can see guys in my screen. So now I want to connect it with my phone. So let's see how to do this. I'm going to show you two methods. First is via Bluetooth and second is via AUX cable. In your soundbar, here you can get the buttons, as you can see guys, mode buttons. So just you need to first connect your soundbar to your power socket and the soundbar will turn on, as you can see guys in my screen. You need to enable the Bluetooth mode on soundbar. So just press the mode button on your soundbar like this, as you can see guys. So just once again press the mode button or power button, whatever button you have. So just press it. So it will turn on your soundbar. Now our Bluetooth mode is activated. Okay, now on your phone you need to turn on the Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth settings like this. Okay, and turn on the Bluetooth. Now you need to pair the new device. So scroll down, here you can get your soundbar name. So I have the Zebronic soundbar, so just I will select this. So now the soundbar is pairing. Wait for it. As you can see guys, our soundbar was successfully connected. Okay, now let's see. I will play some music. So this is the first method guys. So one more method is this guys. If you have the AUX cable available with your soundbar, so one end you need to connect to your soundbar. So as you can see guys, AUX input is there in my soundbar. So one end I will connect here like this, and another end you need to connect to your Android phone like this. Okay, now you're good to go. So just play the music. Now the music was not playing because the soundbar was in Bluetooth mode. Just you need to put your soundbar into AUX mode. So once again you need to press the M button from your soundbar and select the AUX input. That's it. So as you can see guys, the sound was playing from my soundbar via AUX input also. So if you have a woofer with the soundbar, so in the woofer you can get this input cable. So just need to connect it on your soundbar. So this is the two method to easily connect any soundbar with your Android phone. Okay, so that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.